Starting with the men's grooming industry, it's booming like never before, projected to reach a staggering $115 billion by 2028. Chris Salgado, a skincare veteran and former president of Kiehl's, has launched Atwater, a skincare brand with a focus on ingredients like niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. He anticipates a rise in transparent shaving products and predicts bronzing products for men will be the next big thing. So guys, it's time to step up your skincare game. Moving on to the ladies, simplicity is the name of the game. Hannah Godwin, a multi-talented influencer known for her appearance on The Bachelor, emphasizes the importance of quality over quantity in skincare routines. So it's not about having a bathroom cabinet overflowing with products, but rather about investing in a few high-quality staples. Now, let's turn our attention to technology. The beauty industry is evolving rapidly, with changing consumer preferences and advancing technologies. Sampo Parkkinen, the CEO and founder of Revive, a personalized digital brand experience company, is leading the way with the integration of generative AI. This technology is driving personalization and innovation, reshaping product customization and inclusivity. In addition, trends like mind-body beauty and skin streaming are gaining traction, emphasizing efficiency and effectiveness in beauty routines. The future of the beauty industry promises unprecedented personalization, sustainability, and well-being, driven by AI integration and forward-thinking brands. In summary, the skincare trends of 2024 are all about quality ingredients, simplicity, personalization, and technology. Men's grooming is on the rise, with a focus on transparency and bronzing products. Simplicity is key, with a focus on quality over quantity. And with the integration of AI, the future of skincare is looking more personalized and inclusive than ever before. So, as we navigate through this year, let's remember to invest in quality products, embrace simplicity, and keep an open mind to the innovative technologies shaping the future of skincare. Because after all, our skin is worth it.